Let me see. What is it, Logan? Those are for Mommy. Those are for Mommy. Now you can open the other box that's for you. Put it on the floor so you can reach it.
I want the cutter, please.
I already cut it open for you. No, do not play with the scissors. I already cut it for you. Logan, what did I tell you? Give that to me. I already cut it for you. Yes, open it. Rip it. Rip it. Pull really hard.
It's stuck. It's stuck.
Hi, cutie. Right in the way here. What is it, Logan?
It's a box.
What's inside that box? Do you know? What could it be? Whatever could it be? I don't know.
What's inside?
I don't know. It's a surprise for Logan and Aubrey.
Mommy, you open that, please?
Yes, I will open it.
You open that, please?
I'm going to open it for you somehow. Can you bring me the scissors? We'll just open it just right here. What do you want, little one? Oh, you're fine. Okay. Here you go. Rip it open. Hi, baby girl. Yes, I will hold you. What's in there, Logan? What's in there? Dump it out. Dump it out. I will hold you, honey. I will hold you. What did you find, Logan? Really? Aubrey, did you see what Grandma and Papa sent you? Pull the box down, Logan. Pull the box. Pull on the box. There we go. Hi, honey. Come sit with Mommy. Yeah. Come sit with Mommy.
It's a weird little bear. It's a scary bear. It's a scary bear. And where is it? The bear is gone. We can't find the bear. We can't find the bear. There's the bears. The three little bears.
I think your package was a hit, Mom and Dad. Thank you. They like them.
Oh no, the bear is gone. The heart has find that big giant bear. The end.
Aubrey, you found the owl. That's an owl.
I got it. I got it black. I got it the bear. I got it.
Yes,
Oh.
they like the books.
What's this?
That's a bear. You like that, Audrey? A new book always calms you down. Little stinker.
Crocodile. Elephant. Frog. Camel. Dolphin.
You like those books, Aubrey? You like those books? You like them?
Leopard.
Ooh, that's a big book you found there. Mm-hmm.
Iguana.
It's a really big
Rat.
book.
Owl. Lion. Snake. Owl.
Thank you. Thank you. Logan. Logan. Say thank you to Grandma and Papa. Right here. Look at the phone and say thank you.
Thank you.
You like your books?
Yeah.
Yes, I think so. Already, she wants me to read her one.
Tiger.
She's ready to read a book. Thank you again.
Ducky. I see a bird.
Yes, we'll read it. We'll read it right now. Uh-huh. Yes. Gotta go. Have to read.